Friends, this is Professor Yamini Bhushan Tripathi, Professor of Biochemistry in Faculty of Ayurveda, former Dean of the Faculty of Ayurveda, Institute of Medical Sciences, Banaras Hindu University, and consultant to Yamini Innovations LLP.com. Today I am going to talk about the three approaches of treatment described in Ayurveda. Friends, for the treatment of disease, only medicine is not important. And unfortunately, in most of the healthcare systems, only medicine is the tool to treat the diseases. But in Ayurveda, it is different. Maharshi Charak says that the three approaches are Deva Vyapashraya, that is spiritual healing, Sattva Vajaya, that is psychological counseling, and Yukti Vyapashraya, that is the medicine. The use of medicine is 1/3 of the total treatment approach. But unfortunately, in the name of medicine, only one part was developed, and I feel personally that it was because of the overpowering of the pharmaceutical houses in the whole world. Pharmaceutical houses promoted their branch, that is the manufacturing of drug, and they influenced the physicians. So they got concentrated in that. And another lacuna which I see, Ayurveda emerged from Atharva Veda. So Maharshi Charak has focused more on Yukti Vyapashraya, that is the treatment part, which is based on the medicine. But these two branches, Deva Vyapashraya and Sattva Vajaya, were left in the Vedas, Atharva Vedas. Mantra Chikitsa, Tantra Chikitsa, counseling, spiritual and social counseling. These things remain in the Veda, and the Atharva Veda was inherited by the society in the form of religion and culture. So, now this is the time to integrate the cultural practices described in Atharva Veda and the medical practices described in Ayurveda together, and to see the integrated effect of these three systems together for the wellness, covering 90% of the society, healthy society, and for the treatment, covering only 10% of the diseased person. This is a new approach of healthcare, and which should be explored on scientific history by making a good cohort with the two arms, one who are practicing and another who is not practicing these traditional processes, and their correlation with their health status, correlation with their wellness. When I talk of wellness, it is not only the physical wellness, it is also the mental wellness, because mind-body relation is very important. There are several validated questionnaires that has to be incorporated in this study. And this is the time when we should look for integrated, collaborative research across the world. All the scientists of different disciplines, from Sanskrit, from Ayurveda, from modern medicine, and from biology, and from computer sciences, should join hands on a common platform to develop a new branch. With these words, thank you very much. Bye-bye.